Due to our location being centrally located to a lot of large cities with a heavy industrial base, it's created a very diversified market for us in the industrial gearbox and process pump market. We do everything from mining to steel to paper to food to plastic extrusion. So it's a very diversified product line along with customer base and industries we deal with.
So our customers are looking to extend the life of their components from cradle to grave. So they enlist Motion Industries to increase their reliability, machine uptime, and reduce that total cost of ownership of their equipment.
A lot of things that we do here are behind the scenes. It goes unnoticed. It really does do wonders for outsiders to actually come in and see what kind of equipment that we have to work with, the tools that we have that make our repairs better. The rubber arm allows us to cut inspection time to nearly a quarter of what it would normally take. 3 hours to inspect this box from start to finish. With the arm, you can do this in nearly 15 minutes. And then from there, you're able to create a nice inspection report that shows your customer exactly what is wrong with the box.
We do a magnetic particle testing on the gearing, the shafts, the housing welds to ensure there's no hidden cracks. It's really an asset to our company and the customer also.
We were recently certified by Timken as a certified bearing installation center. I think by having the Motion Industries remote training center has allowed us not only to get local training of not only the customers but other Motion personnel as well.
Our customers have come to know whether they have a gearbox that has failed, a critical piece of the component. They know we will do whatever it takes to get that machine back up and running for them.
I believe that the single biggest part of being a successful repair center is in its people. We've been very fortunate to have a lot of very talented people on the floor and in the office, and it takes us all as a team to make this happen at the end of the day.